Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to DevLabs.ai. So, in this video, we're going to solve cloud storage quick start cloud console. So, guys, if you're not a subscribe my channel of DevLabs.ai, so make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on DevLabs.ai, guys. So, guys, I'm getting views but not at a subscribers. Please make sure that please like and subscribe. The most important thing that you can support me for making such videos and such contents on cloud solution as well as AI. So let me move to our lab. So click on start our lab, guys. So wait for a few seconds. Just copy a password and open your console in inventor mode. So click on next here. So paste your password here and click on next here. So click on I understand. So click on agree and continue, and then open your CloudShare terminal in your lab, guys. So click on continue here. So come back to our lab, guys. So guys, I'll be putting a link in description, so get access of the GitHub link. So just come back to our GitHub link, guys. So just copy export your export zone here, and just come back here. So wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's done. So paste your export region here, and then just come back to our lab. Click on task number one. So about task number one, they above below, I think. Yeah, below task number one, you will be given this choose region for location type. So copy your region name here, not what you're linking at the display. Don't enter that. Please make sure that copy your lab region and paste it here. Copy that and paste it here, and then just come back here, and then just copy the another curl command here, and then just come back and paste it here. So click on enter. So now, guys, click on authorize, guys. So wait for 1 to 2 minutes. The lab will be easily solved, guys. So we are no more to do here. So before that, please subscribe the channel for more updates on developers.ai, guys. So guys, we have been completed the lab. So just come back here. So just let me check our progress. Click on task number one. So click on check my progress here. So click on check my progress for task number two. So let me move for task number three. Let me move for another task. So there is no more another task for check my progress here. So guys, finally our lab has been successfully completed, guys. So guys, make sure that please like and subscribe for more updates on devlab.ai, guys. So let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.